This old lady and this creepy dog are following me. Groupies are everywhere. And then, oh, someone's in trouble. Did she get the leash? Oh no.
She got the leash.
Haha, stupid dog. Oh no, we missed another boat. That thing is hauling.
Do it right now. Do it. No, just do it. Go. Now do a fox trot. Do it, Roger Rabbit. This is what she does. I make fire and her and the dog do a Roger Rabbit. Action. Do Roger Rabbit. Do a disco bunny. Okay, you're done. Go. Now we're supposed to do this one. You want to do that for a shot?
Now Baker can barely see it. We're on our way to Lopez to do some camping. Lopez Island, next stop. Our Sasquatch dog, if you can hear it. And we gotta head her. Very excited. We're coming to prowl a camp, but we're not camping here tonight. I'm just going to see how far we have to walk. Oh, there's flowers there. Someone's coming and said we should come here. Coming to scope for a later date. That was awesome. We have a future reservation. This is all for Coco's birthday bash. It's 4 different locations we're going to. And that one we thought we had to hike in. We're like, we don't have shit. We got ice chests and doggy and pillows, bed pillows, if you remember that whole saga turned right here. So we can drive right to our sweet campsite. We forgot our stove fuel. And Kenny for Village Cycles stoked us. If you're coming to Lopez, it's the only bike store on the island. They also have camp gear, stove fuel, skateboards, anything you could ever need. Bring Kenny cold beer, please. We got the best campsite in the whole. Coco doesn't seem to agree with me. She wants to go to the beach. Absolutely private. Down the little walkway, the car's way down there somewhere. We've got this, and there's water and trash somewhere close to here. And there's a trail there. And there's a trail there. And there's a secret lair right there that I won't talk about. And there's a Bodhisattva. Because that's how I'm rolling today, I guess. I got friends that we're going to go hook up with on the island and go swimming at their house tomorrow. Coco's going to be a nuisance all day and scream and yell. Kimchi's going to be upset about her pillows. What was that? Dance for me. That's what you have? Dance. Disco dance. Coco, why don't you dance?
She doesn't know.
Do the Running Man. Do it. No, just do it. Go. Now do the foxtrot.
No, I think you're wanting to do the Roger Rabbit.
Do the Roger Rabbit. Why? Go. This is what she does. I make fire, and her and the dog do the Roger Rabbit. So I went to a secret auction today for some friends, and I can't really talk about it. But the rules were I could only up the bid by $1 at a time, and this was my max bid.
Where were we? It was 12,800, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you go 12.9, then I go 13, and we just keep going.
And we lost, and I was so sad. I really wanted them to win. Come here, girl. Good girl. Come on, you got it. It feels odd to be saying this because I'm carrying a wax canvas pack. That entire hiker biker smelled like 1974. Mildew, canvas, firewood. It was, I walked through it. I just had flashbacks to being a Cub Scout. It was so nice. Hiker biker. $12 a night. I camped here 52 weekends in a row when I lived on Lopez. I came here every weekend on my bike, made a big fire, cooked a dinner. Maybe you've seen some of the videos. It's 5:30, we're out at Lopez and at Spencer's Fit, which is just a beautiful campground. This little pot is rapidly becoming one of my favorite things ever. It's steel. It's not really that light, but it's not that bad. It got on sale. It had like 10 dents in it. And it's so perfect to throw in the fire. It makes exactly 2 cups of coffee and then enough for hot water to mix up Coco's gravy for her breakfast. We got the car over there. Tent. Really nice campsite. We woke up too early with the Barn Owl Bakery farm stand, but they're still closed. Off to the next destination. In 2012, I was out sailing around the islands, no engine, almost no money, and I was desperate for a cold beer. So I sailed into Fish Bay and never left. Another hike, the dog's having so much fun. We are out at Shark Reef, which is on Lopez Island. It is a very short half-mile maybe down to the beach. It's actually one of my favorite places. We're walking on a little bridgey thing because we're going over Martian Lagoon. I don't ever remember this being this long. Maybe they've just completed it. It's been gone for quite some time. And this is where very good chances in killer whales, hunting and swimming I've seen so many times when they get on the sea lions, and it is just brutal. But here and Iceberg Point are 2 of the big areas where we see them. And we're going to see our friends. Oh God, my eyeball. We're going to see my friend's property today. He set off with $500, circumnavigated the Pacific Rim. So we went down through the South Pacific to somewhere, and then over to Asia and up to Japan, and then across the Pacific and back. Got here penniless. Worked really hard and saved every penny for about 5 years. Bought a property right before the pandemic and everything went crazy. And we helped build them a yurt. They did most of the work. We just helped a little bit. And he bought a mill. And when they moved in, they dropped about an acre of trees because the whole place was wooded. Set those up to season. And the rotted ones they use as firewood to heat the house. And the rest they've been seasoning. He got a sawmill, and so his entire house is built from the logs on his property. And he just these huge like 12 by 18 beams with all notches and pins. There's no fasteners in there. It's just gorgeous. So we're gonna go check that out, and I'm so excited to see what he's done. I'm keeping this top secret, but I want to show some of the notches. The whole house is notched. Fire flag. Best view on Earth. Everything. The whole house is notched together. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Trees. This is why we're afraid to go east of the Rockies. I've been out here for a really long time, and I don't know if I can live without my trees. I've lost Kimchi. She's back there somewhere. Lost the dog. She's up there somewhere. Later. Come on, Crowdy Monster. Zero training, can you tell? You wait, girl. Good girl. Look at that. Ooh. Now this old lady and this creepy dog are following me. Groupies are everywhere. They're closed again. I think we come here too early. Let's see. They are most certainly closed. Let's see how much. Oh, gas is out of order. We're gonna have to walk home. Dang. Coco, what do you find? Stay away from the dead birds, please. Something. Oh, look, another trail. It's almost as if this entire island is just trails. Actually, this is more of a road. We're going down to Watmough Bay, one of my favorite anchorages. My favorite anchorage is Yeti Bay, and they're the only two hurricane holes here that are protected from every direction except the east, and we very rarely get wind from the east. So these are great places. Very often see killer whales swimming around your boat out here. This place is awesome. It's early, so there's no people here. Watmough Bay. Looking a little crowded today. Oh, there she is. Get that stick. Get it, Coco. You can hike around the loop up to there. There's a swing, and then down and around. And at some point, this whole island will be connected with trails. It's getting closer every day. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of a sea monster. We just found it.
Oh, there's a jellyfish over here.
Oh, poor thing. It's kind of creepy. That's an orange, babe.
No.
Oh, yes. Coco, leave it alone. Throw the stick in this. Oh, they're everywhere. The jellyfishes are getting blown in. You want me to pick one up and see if they sting before the dog finds out the hard way? Really?
Why would you do that?
For her. Right, Coco? Oh no, we missed another boat. That thing is hauling. So last weekend we camped right there. That's Picnic Island, whatever day that is. It looks like he's fighting a rip. Action. Do the Roger Rabbit. Do a disco bunny. Okay, you're done. I'm gonna go for it. Keep going. You know, we were supposed to do this in one take. You won't do that in front of traffic? So this was 5 pounds of ice, well over 48 hours. Everything is absolutely still frozen. We could have done it easily at least one more day. This just sat in the trunk of our car the whole time, and it's been really hot. We love the Yeti.